Hi everyone. Okay, so we got Spellbinders in. Let's see what we got. This time I'm on time because I got it like 2 days ago, so I'm doing pretty well. So, not like last month. Alright, so let's see what we got. I didn't get to see any sneaks. I have been reading my little heart out, so I haven't been watching videos. Okay, so this one is Glimmer of the Month. This doesn't go with that. Okay. This is the Glimmer of the Month. And this is the sample on the back. And then you get the foil also. And this is blush. So, super fun. I get the whole kit and caboodle. And this one is the stamp of the month and the stamp and die of the month. So this is coordinating. This is a set right here. And this is really pretty. Wow, that's really pretty, you guys. So, that's another set. And then we have the small die of the month. It's a punch and pierce borders. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty. They're just so elegant, you know? And then we have the stitch die of the month. And it's stitched fanfare. And it is, look, oh wow, that is really gorgeous. You know what I didn't notice is that, oh, so they're no longer doing the APG one. Huh, I wonder if they're not working with her anymore. You know, the Amazing Paper Grace, I wonder if they're not. Large die of the month. This is Punch and Pierce Frame and Sentiments. Oh, another pretty one. Love it. Okay, I really put away last month's or last week's. So this one is the 3D embossing folder. Now this whole kit I think is, oh gosh, how much is this kit, guys? I keep forgetting. It's like $129, I think. I don't remember. Embossing folder of the month. Seamless floral background. Ooh, that one's gorgeous. And then we have the card kit, which I barely put away from February, guys. I have been stockpiling this stuff, and I have had since February out, and I didn't know until I started taking things out of the packages that the, what was it? What was something... Was it this? I'm not sure. Something caught my eye, and I think it's this. Oh yeah, it is this. It's the fact that when you open this, this right here is different. It is now like, it's almost like a vellum. And I thought that was so interesting. I was like, that is awesome. So I don't, is it vellum or what is it? But it's such a good quality. So I was stunned about that, and I didn't know anything about it until I started putting away my stuff. So I'm a little behind on the ball there. Okay, so we have the sentiment set, or sentiment, no, alphabet, the alphabet. And these are like gold stripes in there. And then we have the sentiment banners. There we go. Love these. And then we have the little chipboard stickers. I love their chipboard stickers. I love everything about Spellbinders. What am I talking about? I say that every month. Hello. I do. I love them. And then the 10 envelopes, 10 bases, the adhesive, and then the cardstock that now comes as the standard card size, which is 4.5 by 5, or 4.25 by 5.5. So yeah, blue, baby blue, green, pink, and fuchsia. I don't know if that's the real color, but if fuchsia is that color, but that to me screams that. So I don't know. Let's see, strawberries. Then we have flowers. You get one of each now. A whole little fruit theme. This reminds me of Lori Holt. Oh, look at how cute. And look, I just hauled my pattern for my quilting, and look at, oh, it must be a sunshiny month. Hearts. Oh, that's so cute. They're just such pretty colors. I love when they do the bright colors. They're just so amazing when they do the brights. Everything should be in brights. Okay, that was the paper. And then we have some sequins that don't have holes in the middle, so that's also awesome. Love that. And then we have the ephemera, which is so much fun. Ephemera is fun. Oh, look at, so we have pears and we have balloons, and you guys see that? Yeah. So now I need a milkshake, and then the sun, the bird. Oh, look at the oh, it's a bear. It's a bear. Flowers, strawberries. Hearts, trees. You can hear the puppy snoring. A dress on a hanger, a basket of goodies, some Jello. It's all Jello. And then peaches. Whole picnic going on here. Super fun, you guys. You have sun, cloud, and a rainbow. And teapot, simply the best. Cake is simply the best. Cake is amazing. Let me scooch in. Okay. Bird, ice cream, candles, rainbow border. It could be a rainbow border, it could be a scallop border. Okay, it could be either, whatever your heart wants. Aw, good news. How cute. In a row of houses. A phone. Oh, look at these. It's like a scary thing. House flowers. Fun, you guys. These are fun. Florals. Yeah. Love it. Alright guys, so that was it for this month. I did it. Yay. Alright guys. So that was it. So we'll see you. This says it is April's. This is April's kit. So yeah. So we'll see you in a couple weeks with May's. Alright guys. Take care. Bye.